Hello, my name is Matthew Calabrese, and for my ABE 170A2 project at the University of Arizona, I chose to do it on global warming. In this project, I look at the effects that humans have on the heating of the Earth's surface temperature, and also the debated natural process the Earth goes through in its heating and cooling. I look at the two hypotheses and present each side of the debate. The first side of the global warming debate I'll look at is the side saying global warming is man-made. The first person to popularize the argument that global warming is man-made was former Vice President Al Gore. He did this in his movie entitled An Inconvenient Truth. In the film, he discusses how humans' overuse of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are proven to cause global warming. He lectures about how the gases get trapped by what is known as the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is when gases such as carbon dioxide are heated by the sun and cannot escape the Earth's atmosphere. The gases become trapped in the Earth like a greenhouse. Here, this picture better illustrates what the greenhouse effect is. First, sunlight radiates onto the Earth's surface and gets absorbed by land and water. Then the reflected sunlight gets pushed back up through the atmosphere and back into space. Another type of light is infrared radiation, also gets pushed back through space. Then the greenhouse effect comes from the atmosphere traps some gases such as carbon dioxide to keep the surface warm. Our Earth needs greenhouse gases to keep parts of it warm and to grow things like crops. But through the overuse of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, there's too much greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and it's causing the Earth to heat faster than it normally would. Here on this slide, we can see a chart that shows a correlation between the carbon dioxide levels in the Earth's atmosphere and the global temperature. To the naked eye, you can clearly see a correlation between the two. As the carbon dioxide levels rise in the Earth's atmospheres, so has the Earth's temperature. This is the main argument used for scientists to believe global warming is man-made. They point to this chart and show how carbon dioxide levels are an extremely close correlation to the global temperature. Here on this slide, we see the main argument for scientists who believe global warming is a natural process the Earth goes through. These scientists believe that the Earth goes through cooling and heating periods that is a natural process throughout the Earth. This chart shows that the Earth has gone through many of these periods. We can see starting from that there are ice ages and heating periods, showing that the heating cycle that we are going through now is not that much higher than ones that we've gone through throughout the history of the Earth. In a book entitled Unstoppable Global Warming Every 1500 Years, this book describes how global warming and climate change is an unchangeable natural force that occurs in a 1500-year process. The authors entertain the notion that humans are not reasonable for climate change. They back up their information with stats showing the natural occurring process of heating and cooling of the Earth. Here's another chart showing the Earth's temperature throughout its entire history. Here you'll see that towards the early stages of Earth, the temperature of the surface was hotter than it is today. This proves the theory that scientists have that the Earth's global warming situation is a natural occurring process. Most importantly, we do not know which theory is right. We can only speculate and use scientific thought to figure out which one can better help us with a better and greater future. I want to thank you for watching my presentation.